Hello everyone, welcome to Here Let's Tour. It's been a while since I've been at the caravan. It is absolutely freezing. Oh, that's my hand. If you see the camera shaking, it's not an earthquake, it's so cold. I'm going to just, I took the battery out before and we haven't been away for a few weeks now and it's getting really wintry and cold. So I'm going to empty some of the bits and bobs out of the caravan, some of the soft furnishings out, because I've heard it's best to do that when it's cold so you don't get any sort of condensation. Maybe open a couple of cupboards, and I might try and move the caravan forward or just roll it back a foot or something, just so I can so it's not on the same bit of tyre. I'm not sure when the next time we're going away is, so I thought I'd better just give it a quick check. It all looks fine, I can't see anything much wrong with it, but I think we got the roof of it, didn't we, cleaned not long ago, and I think it's filthy again now. Just sat there. Yeah, there's some new muck. We had it all lovely scrubbed off and cleaned. We've only been away a couple of times since then, and now it's filthy again, just sat here, all the muck that blows off trees and stuff, I'd imagine, in rain, mucky rain. So I've stuffed some of the blankets and duvets and pillows and stuff into there. Look at the muck. Need a bit of a clean down again. Weeds starting to come back. So when we do it, we always put the chocks down. I don't know why we do it, we just always do, just in case. It's not going to go anywhere, the stabilisers are down, but I'll see if I can push it back or maybe move it forward a foot. If I can do it manually, I'll do it manually. If not, I might have to hitch it up and just give it a quick move. Inside, everything looks fine. Pretty clean. Tidy, battery missing. That open, the taps are all open. We've had a couple of frosts. I don't think, hopefully, none of the pipes have been damaged. I think we got all the water out before it came. Just gonna wind up the stabilisers. I can't film me doing it because I haven't got 3 hands. What are your thoughts on the tyres? Is it alright to leave them stood in the same spot for a couple of months, or is it best to move it? We've got some tyre saver things, but I've left them in the garage, but is it best to move them off the same spot if they're going to be sat there for a while? Nemesis lock off. I'll see if we can shift it. Whew. It's quite hard to shift. Of course, if I thought on, I could have just put the battery back in and motor moved it forward a little bit and back a little bit. But that would be the intelligent thing to do. So I've connected on the tow bar. And I'm going to raise the steadies up properly and hitch up and just give it a little tug backwards and forwards. It's times like these you wish I had a reversing camera. Right, I'm hitched up, so I'm just going to move the car forward and backwards a little bit just to give it a bit of wiggle. And there we go, we've moved it from there to there. I don't have to move it back to there now. We shall see. Right, that's moved now. Back to there. So I'll just put the brake on. Unhitch it, put the brake on. And at least it's not on the same bit of tyre all this time. I've managed to sting myself 3 times on that nettle there. Look at it, perfect. So that's all done. Everything looks nice and dry and clean. I can't see any damp stuff inside. So that should be all ready for when we go camping again and caravanning again. Probably in the new year now. Might be springtime, I don't know if I'll go before then, but well, I'm sure we'll get away. There's been so much stuff going on in our life at the moment. I won't bore you with all the details, but we just haven't had a chance to get away in the caravan much in the last few months. But we will do soon, so stick with us. Don't forget to like, subscribe, do all the good stuff. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys soon.